A remarkable place where we can learn about the German and European immigration to the New World is the German immigrant house of Bremerhaven. Its director, Simone Eich, offered us the hospitality for exploring the stories of the departures and arrivals of this remarkable human genetic river.
We always are on a way of migration. As we see this migration place here, how people from Germany went to the States and they dared their life just to get food or some sort of future or a hope. The word river is a reality, what we can see outside here, but the word river is as well a myth. A myth that means the genetic river is related to a biographical river. It's related to the Lebensfluss, as we say in German, the river we all, as individuals and as community, we are sailing down, sailing from birth to death. And on this road and on this river, we have a lot of experience. It's a creation of dreams and disappointment as well, of desperate and hope. So what comes together in this word, genetic river, is the ongoing living process of human beings and of all living systems. So biography of an individual is like a river. We start and we end, and we never know where we end. To construct your biography means to be part of the genetic river, to be part of social and culture, and to make your special individual life. And every human being is repeating the whole story of mankind, is some sort of like a drop in the big river.
The most extraordinary example of mixture of the genetic rivers, we can find in Ellis Island in New York Harbor in the United States. It was the place where about 12 million people arrived from other continents, coming from different parts of the world. And as they arrived, they were seeking completely a new world, a new way of living. And at the same time, they begin to live together in a way that they were not able to do it in their own countries. Arabs and Jews today live together, Protestants and Catholics from the Irish Kingdom, and many other groups came and began to understand that there is one large genetic river, and that one large genetic river is humanity. In some ways, we could think of this great mixture of genes in the United States, particularly in New York, as a great experiment of the Mother Earth to invite people to establish a melting pot of nations, of groupings, of genes, and through that begin to learn something that perhaps humanity has to learn for the future of a new humankind. We all represent one genetic river of humanity that is flowing together on the earth.
So all life is to create places for hope. That means we have to be in the present. Even we have a past and we hope of a future. But the main thing is to create the present. A gene doesn't develop itself. It needs an opportunity. We need support of Mother Earth, of the sky, of the stars, of the light, of the energy, of people around us who loves us or who hate us, and then we have to fight for our life.
In accordance to the American cell biologist Bruce Lipton, DNA is not just a mechanical repetition of gene sequences to run the business of the cell, but acts almost like a living organism itself. It responds to all kinds of outside and inside influences and can actually be modified by them. Reading what's happening around the cell, this maverick molecule takes care of its own needs and that of the cell in which it lives. It serves to the cell as its tiny living home. DNA depends on the world around it and thus forms an integral part of the great flow of life.
So I think the genetic river is a biographical river as well. It's a cultural river, a social river, and they all come together worldwide. And this is so great to see in this museum some sort, a part of this, how it fits together.